Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Fed rate cut for sure. Yesterday, I put out a short video, just the fresh news, what happened, but now I have the time to talk about the details. And well, we can see that the market started to go up, but can this continue? Well, let's talk about it. And then we have Donald Trump, who has actually used Bitcoin to buying a juicy burger in New York, and we have Louisiana, which becomes the first state to accept crypto payments. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, and when we're looking at the market, we can see that Bitcoin is actually up 4% in the last 24 hours. At the present time, 62,300 US dollar, put it this way. Ethereum up 5%, 2,430 US dollar. Let's see the top gainers in the top 100. Popcat, it's popping up. 28% up, Say 22%, and Celestia 22% up. And the losers, KuCoin token, down 4%, Leo 2%, and that was it. So actually, today we have a positive day on the market. We can see that Bitcoin is up here. We did, break this yellow trend line. Yesterday we closed above it, and now we just continue. We are 152 days from the halving, so basically in a couple of weeks, theoretically, when history plays out again, then and repeats itself, then we can start upward trend. And now actually this so far plays out. On the other hand, we still can see a couple of things here. We have this 200 moving average, daily moving average, which could work as resistance. And also we have a couple of things here. We can see we're coming down again a little bit and then up. You never know. You never know, but the first reaction after the rate cut basically was positive. And yeah, now let's talk about what happened actually yesterday. Oh, I forgot one thing, and this was, I just wanted to show you that at 70,476, we do have liquidations, short liquidations in 21.7 billion US dollars. So this is a level is actually worth watching. But now let's move on to know what happened. What are the key takeaways from yesterday's FOMC meeting and press conference? So first of all, the Fed cuts, rates by 50 basis points. First time since 2020. So a long time ago was the last one. And they're planning another 25 basis point rate cut in this year. So all over, we're going to have a 100 basis point rate cut according to the plan. Here they're also saying that one Fed governor descended for the first time since 2005 in favor of 25 basis point rate cut. And the Fed gained greater confidence that inflation is moving to 2%. And they will carefully assessing incoming data and evolve outlook. So basically, as the data comes out, this is how they process and make further decisions. And they're planning another 100 basis point rate cut in next year, 2025, and 50 basis point rate cut in 2026. So this is the plan so far. And actually, this is what always happening. We're going in circles, right? So raise rate, then we have soft landing, then didn't work out, a recession, lower rates, economy is weak, then we have QE, and inflation is high again. What they do? Raise rates, and the circle starts all over. We kind of got used to it. And there are a couple of people who saying that this 50 basis point rate cut actually wasn't necessary and actually could be pretty bad in long term. First, it gives a rally, but after that, maybe it's not good for the economy. So Arthur Hayes, for example, argued that the rate cuts as a whole aren't necessary, and 50 basis point rate cut would trigger a brief market rally, but ultimately reveal deeper issues in the global financial system, leading to more depressed prices. So first rally and then prices, and a rally we do see now. Also here, inflation is going to accelerate into the fourth quarter if they decide to continue cutting rates. And this is what they're going to do. On the other hand, Jerome Powell was confident that they're going towards 2% inflation, what they're planning for. So you can let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Now, when we're looking at the possibilities, very early, I know very early, but still, on the 7th of November is going to be the next FOMC meeting. And so far, the chances for 25 basis point rate cut is almost 65 and 35 for 50 basis point rate cut. So the chances is pretty big for this one as well. And they, at the moment right now, talking about rate cuts. So no pause or something like that. And on the other hand, when we're looking at the GDP, so when there are rate cuts and there's no recession, it's historically good for the market. So then it plays out, and in the following months, things like liquid assets, stock market, and also crypto going up. And actually, GDP now model estimate for the real GDP growth in the third quarter of 2024 is 3%. This is what they said on the 17th of September. So basically, with this 3%, it's a pretty good number. So if the GDP has 3% for the third quarter, that means, actually it's a seasonal adjusted annual rate, then actually it means that we are not getting closer to a recession. So looking actually good. So now the question is, because if it's rate cuts and recession, that's usually bad for the market. But when there are rate cuts, no recession, that turns out to be good to the market. So yeah, this is what we should definitely watch. So these were the most important takeaways from the Fed meeting yesterday. And yeah, the Fed pivot actually has started, what we were waiting for a long time. Well, let's see how it plays out. Right, next one. Next one is all about Donald Trump using Bitcoin, buying a burger. Well, we can see that Donald Trump is definitely supporting crypto, Bitcoin, and actually this whole thing. He actually just launched his new crypto project a couple of days ago, talking about crypto once Bitcoin mining happening in the United States. And now recently he actually went to the bar in New York, and here's the picture about it, using Bitcoin and buying a burger with it. So he's sending all these kind of messages to the public. So probably if he will be the president, more things going to happening around crypto as he is promoting it, supporting it, and so on and so forth. And that could make actually crypto more and more popular if their president is a big crypto fan. But we have election on the 5th of November, so it's a long time to go. They're kind of neck and neck with Kamala Harris. So we're going to see how this plays out. And I personally, as I said earlier, it doesn't matter who's going to be the president. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It functioned with and without Donald Trump. Even Donald Trump wasn't a big crypto believer. He called it a scam and these kind of things years ago. And Bitcoin went up. So in long term, doesn't matter. Yeah, in short term, yes, it can have an impact on the market if Kamala Harris is winning. But long term, I think it doesn't matter. However, definitely helps if the president supports crypto, no question. Okay, finally, we have the very first state in the United States which accept crypto payments. So here we go. The very first one is Louisiana. It becomes the first state to accept crypto payments. And it started on the 17th of September, so basically 2 days ago. And now the residents can pay for some state services using Bitcoin Lightning Network, and USD Coin. And it shows clearly the message that this is the direction we're going. This is the very first state, and using state services, you can use crypto. And guess what? Probably then another state will come to do this, which also will make crypto payments more and more popular, just like Donald Trump buying buying burger with Bitcoin. Okay, I think these were the most important things. For now, don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if you would like to get this information on time, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.